Today, I'll walk you through how to export data from ClickUp. Whether you want to create a backup, share your task list with a stakeholder, or pull everything into a spreadsheet for deeper analysis. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into ClickUp and make sure you're in the right workspace. ClickUp organizes your work into workspaces, spaces, folders, and lists. So before you touch anything else, navigate to the area that holds the data you want to export. If you're exporting a single project tasks, open that specific list or folder. If you want a broader snapshot, you can work at the space level. Getting to the right level before you start saves you from having to repeat the process. Once you're in the right place, look to the upper right corner of the view. You'll see a small ellipsis icon, 3 dots arranged horizontally. Click that. This opens a context menu with a range of options for that list, folder, or space. Scroll through the options until you find Export or Export View. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your ClickUp plan and the type of view you're currently in. So if you don't see it immediately, don't worry, it's there. It's worth knowing that export access depends on your plan. The business plan and above give you the most flexibility, but free and lower tier plans still offer some export capability. Now click Export and you'll be prompted to choose your format. CSV is the most universally useful option. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or any data tool you prefer, and it gives you a clean, flat table of your tasks, assignees, due dates, statuses, and custom fields. Take a moment to review any additional settings that appear, such as which fields to include, before you confirm. Once you're happy, go ahead and confirm the export. ClickUp will generate the file and either download it directly to your device or prompt you to save it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from ClickUp. You now have a file you can back up, share with anyone who doesn't use ClickUp, or drop straight into your preferred spreadsheet tool for analysis. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tips. I'll see you in the next one.